You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to find and use the clipboard on your Samsung phone. First, open any app where you can type, like Messages or Notes, and tap to bring up the keyboard. Look for a clipboard icon on the top row of the Samsung keyboard. It looks like a tiny notepad. Tap it. This opens the Clipboard Manager, showing your recently copied items. If you don't see the icon, tap the three dots on the keyboard toolbar to see more options and enable the clipboard. To paste an item, simply tap on it in the clipboard list. To delete an item, tap and hold it, then select Delete. To delete all items, tap the trash can icon. You can also pin important items by tapping the pin icon so they aren't cleared. To access more advanced clipboard settings, open your phone's settings, go to General Management, tap Samsung Keyboard Settings, then tap Clipboard. Here you can adjust how long items are saved and toggle the clipboard on or off. Some Samsung phones also have a clipboard in the edge panels. Swipe the edge panel handle, add the clipboard panel, and you can access it from there. This feature stores text and images you've copied. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.